Okay, today I'll be doing extra ticket 3 over weeks 8 through 10. Uh, so first, what is computational thinking? Computational thinking is a set of problem-solving methods that involve expressing problems and their solutions in ways that a computer could also execute. How can computational skills or computational thinking be related to social studies? Well, we can use it by analyzing data, comparing social and economic trends of like the past or future. Also, it prepares students for a technology-driven world. Also be used to interpret digital data, maps, and images. Uh, Also, computer science is the study of computers and computing, including their theoretical and algorithmic foundations, hardware, and software, and their uses for processing information. Uh, I think that schools are changing their curriculums towards computer science because technology is advancing at a fast rate. It can be used to inspire students and teachers of what the future might hold or what it will hold. It also offers many effective educational values. Challenges for schools to offer computer science courses is definitely funding, uh, as it can be pretty expensive to fund a bunch of new technology and a bunch of new computers and stuff. Also, a challenge could be teachers' own knowledge of the subject, as there isn't a supply of teachers that know like as much like. So basically, if you were to compare like let's say a math teacher or an English teacher, there's going to be more teachers that know math or English than there are with computer science. So that's definitely creates a problem because we don't have a supply of enough teachers yet. Also, students' lack of understanding. This could be a big problem because either students are hesitant or not willing to want to learn this yet, or they just simply don't get it and the class is moving at too fast of a pace for their liking. How is it beneficial for learners? Computer science offers skills such as like problem solving, creative thinking, digital skills, collaboration, uh, and also prepares students for the future. Uh, can I use robots in my teaching? After thinking about this for a little, uh, I was on the fence between either no or yes, but ultimately I said yes because it can be used in social studies lessons to help students understand the content further and also to focus on computational skills. Um, I could use it like through either review games, weekly tasks, or geography. So basically, overall, actually, I'm gonna explain why I think I could use it in geography. I think I could use it in geography because like I could give a student a location that he needs to go to on the map, and he then would have to use his coding skills that he's learned to make the Q robot or whatever robot I have go to that certain part on the map. And this focuses on like computer science and computational thinking, while also um, still covering the basic like social studies and history stuff. But overall, in weeks 8 through 10, I've expanded my knowledge and comfortability with computer science and computational thinking. Without this class, I probably would have never have considered using robots or computer science, and I'm thankful for the opportunity to have covered this material. I am looking forward to the rest of this semester, and I hope I keep learning new techniques to improve my teaching skills.